So, okay, once again, we have come to this point. Every time we will start with the concern heard from our client when we talk about Penrith.
Okay, one of the concerns that here on the ground also is that they look at the development, only 2 towers. So they feel that maybe the land size is a bit small. Yeah, which some of them feel that a bigger land size will be actually better.
What's the concern?
The concern is that most of the buyers, they feel that bigger land size is always better. Because if you see all the bigger land size, definitely it's like, wow, you got a lot of amenities, a lot of everything.
And I think buyers right nowadays have so much information. They also see a lot of good transaction happening in the big land size condominium. Let's say Treasure at Tampines. 2,002 unit. At first, people think, how
oversupply.
to oversupply, how to sell. But I think they make quite a decent. Those people who bought
profit.
Yeah.
So okay, if we look at Penrith, right, we mentioned just now, the land size you see is about 100,000 square feet. So to me, this land size, I would not say it's small, but I would not say it's big also. I would say it's okay. It's just a decent land size, but it's not on the big side. Yeah. One thing, of course, a lot of people, we are focusing on the land size, right? There's one more thing that we need to actually look at that I feel is important, which is what we call visibility. So if you look at Penrith, okay, the land size is about 100,000 square feet, around there. I will not say it's a small development, but I won't say it's a big development. I just say it's a very nice development. Okay, but of course, a lot of people, if we are focusing on the land size, that sometimes we forget to look at one factor, which is visibility. So visibility means, for example, right, even though the land size is small, but due to the position of the building as well as the height, and then maybe the surrounding developments is not so prominent. So this attention might be a plus point. If let's say it's a good layout and all these things, then a lot of buyers will want to actually take a look at this development.
Like for example, today, if I'm looking at a buyer, imagine I'm a buyer, right? I'm looking at this area, and of course, when I zoom in the area, right, I see, maybe this 2 tower is prominent. Every time I walk past, then it's like, the design, the facade, very nice. Then should I take a look? So I will basically put it into my research, and I go for viewing. This is what we mean by visibility.
Alright. So of course, what we want to look at today, right?